Measuring customer lead time is about how long it takes to deliver a customer's order after the customer orders it. It's also known as customer order cycle time or order fulfillment cycle time. There can be subtle differences in definition by company to company, but essentially they're the same thing. So for customer lead time, let's look at an individual order first. So for example, if the order got delivered on the 11th of January and the order was initially received on the 1st of January, then the customer lead time for that individual order is 10 days. This is fine for just one order, but to measure the performance of a company or supply chain, we need an overall metric. It means we first need to be tracking data for each individual order, when the order is placed and when it is delivered. We need to be calculating this for each individual order, but we then want an overall measure taking an average of all the orders in a given time period, say monthly. So if there were only 3 orders in January, the first we did took 10 days, the second order took 15 days, and the third took 20 days, then the average customer lead time for the month would be the average of all those orders, so 15 days. The average of 10, 15 and 20 is 15. Measuring the customer lead time is typically done as a measure of customer service that you are offering, but it can and should also be done from the point of view as yourself as the customer for your own orders from your suppliers, where you are measuring the performance of your suppliers' deliveries to you. Yes, that is time that isn't immediately your responsibility or in your control, but it is still time that your customers are waiting, or time that you have to carry lots of extra inventory whilst waiting for slow replenishments. Customer lead time is a nice complementary metric to use alongside cost metrics such as inventory turns to check we're getting a good balance of low inventory and low cost whilst maintaining good customer service.